Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to print some messages in the LCD using an Arduino UNO microcontroller. So I'm selecting the Arduino UNO board because I am having a LCD with the configuration pins. So I'm inserting the LCD in the Arduino UNO and I am going to show the code now. So this is the code I have written. RS I am enabling in 13th pin, enable in 12th pin, and D4 11, D5 10, and D6 9, and D7 8. So this is the configuration I have made for LCD. I inserted easily in the Arduino board, but we should mention this one compulsorily. So after I'm going to dump the code now. So I'm going to dump the code using a UART cable. So this will print the message from scrolling from left to right and right to left. This is the coding I have written. So here you can see that I have given in for loop inside. So from the position 0 to 15, 16 characters we can print. The 16 characters we can print in left to right also, right to left also. So this will scroll like this from right to left. Now it's coming, the message is coming, hello Akash, and again it will come from left to right to left also. So now it's coming from left to right, so again it's coming from right to left. So this is the coding I have written for printing the messages. We can see once again now it will come from left to right. Now the message is coming from left to right. Yeah, thank you.